Hey there, fabulous dancer. In this video, you are going to learn a movement that is a total staple both in the Egyptian style of belly dance as well as in the American tribal style, and this move is the Egyptian basic. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. Let's go ahead and dive right in. The foundation for the Egyptian basic is a step touch. So you step, touch, step, touch. I recommend that touch happen slightly in front of your body because you're going to use that touch as a pivot point for a hip lift twist. What I mean by that is your hip is going to lift and twist at the same time in the forward direction, kind of like it's coming up and in towards the center of your body. Then you're going to step back, put the other foot in front, put a little pressure in the ball of your foot to use it as a fulcrum to twist your hip. As you twist your hip, very important, make sure your standing knee is stable, it is still slightly soft, and it is always pointing in the direction of your toes so that you do not tweak your knees, yeah? So you're doing step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. That little hip twist, I'm going to show you from the side. You can put a little push into it, and if you want to give it a little extra something, give a little squeeze to the glute. Squeeze the glute on the twisting hip. So you're going to step, squeeze your right, step, squeeze your left. You can add an extra little jingle to your hip scarf or a little extra movement to the hip by using that glute squeeze. Be sure to watch to the end of the video, and I'm going to give you a super juicy tip that's going to take this Egyptian basic from basic to really awesome and give it some serious movement. Let's drill that a little bit faster, facing this way. We're going to start right, touch left, 7, 8, it's right, touch left, left, touch right. Get a push into that foot so you get a little hip twist, twist and lift, optional glute squeeze to give it a little extra movement. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Looking good. All right, so now that you have the feet and the hips in place, let's go ahead and talk about two different arm options. I'm going to give you one arm option that's a little bit more Arab, like Egyptian style, and then another arm option that is quintessential in the tribal style. Let's start with the Arabic style arms. We are going to take one arm and put it at the temple. When you do this, I recommend taking like your index finger and gently placing it at the temple, palm facing outward. Avoid making it look like you have a headache. Yeah, so think about palm out, just the finger touching the temple. And then your other hand is going to come out to about shoulder level, tiny little bend in the wrist, a little bit of flexion there in the wrist, bend in the elbow. And then you're going to switch, right? The other hand, finger to the temple, and then your other hand comes down about shoulder level, bend in the elbow and the wrist. Now, as we switch from one to the other, you could just go straight there, path of least resistance. Yeah, that works. Or you could make it even prettier by getting a gentle floreo or a circle of the wrist. The way I think about this is the palms are going to face in towards you and then push around, wrist leads. Palm face in towards you, push around, wrist leads. Bonus points if you think of dropping that middle finger just a little bit and scooping around. So the hands are essentially doing this. Scoop around. Scoop around. Fingers are gently splayed away from each other. Energy in every single finger. And so you're taking this one hand up to the temple, the other hand out at shoulder level. All right, can we add that to the movement? So if we're going to go step, touch, step, touch. The hip that's lifting gets the arm that's lower. Yeah, step, touch, a little bit faster. Step, touch. I'll show you from the other side. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. You got it. We'll go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Arm variation 2 is the style that you're going to see mostly with American tribal style dance. And this arm variation is up above the head in 5th position. The palms of the hands are outwards, so the wrists, the back of the wrists are facing each other. And you are going to pull the arms gently open. They don't move very far, but you're going to think about the fingers pointing towards each other, that middle finger and the thumb. Arms pull open, palms are facing in, and then you switch. If we do that again, it's a gentle pull and switch, gentle pull and switch. You're always going to keep some roundness in your arms, never straightening the elbows, and you really don't open the arms very far. Gentle pull and back together, gentle pull and back. That pull is going to happen on the twist. The back together happens when you step to center. Pull on the twist, back together in the center. Pull and center, little faster. Here we go. It's pull, center, pull, center, pull, center. Make sure that as you accent the hips, watch out for this beginner mistake. Watch out for accenting the arms at the same time. We're not karate chopping or elbowing anyone in the head, right? So the arms are going to remain nice and fluid, even if the hip gets an accent and accent and accent. Let's do 4 more. It's 4, 3, 2, 1. If you are enjoying this tutorial, can I ask that you please hit like and subscribe so that I can send you free belly dance content every single week? And now that you're getting the Egyptian basic under your belt, you are ready for my free 7-day beginner belly dance jumpstart that will teach you the foundational movements that you need to begin a beautiful belly dance journey. You can get yours for free now at sahirabellydances.com/jumpstart. So before we drill this with music, I promised you a juicy tip, a little tidbit that's really going to make a big difference once we start going to speed. While the focus on this movement is to the front and to the front, when you start going faster, I want you to notice this little wiggle, wiggle. That's the technical term, wiggle, wiggle. That's happening in my hips, right? So I'm not coming here, stop, here, stop. Instead, I'm getting a little wiggle, wiggle. Let me show you this from the other side, and I'll try to verbalize what's happening for you. I'm going with the right hip, front, back, center, or front, back, front. Then front on the left, back, front as I step on it. Front with the right, back, front as I step on it. So this is going to allow the movement to be continuous instead of having a stop in the middle each time. So once again, starting on the right, I'm going front, back, front, then left, front, back, front, then right, front, back, front, front, back, front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. I put that with the arms. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Twist and twist. Big, little, little. It's a big twist on the step and then a little twist back front to get you ready for the other side. Trying the other arms. Twist back front, front, back front. Big, little, little, big, little, little. Here's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Nice job. Let's go ahead and do it with music. All right, take a nice deep breath. Nice tall spine, find your basic belly dance posture, yeah? We're gonna start here with the right, half time. So we'll go step, twist, 5, 6, here we go. Step, twist, step, twist, step, twist. Let's add the arms to this, our Egyptian style arms. All right, are you ready? We're gonna speed this up. Here we go. Step, twist, step, twist. If it's feeling good, why don't you try to walk with it? Take it forward. Ooh, now take it back, see what happens. Let's slow it down, add our other arms on it. Step, twist. You're gonna open, step, twist, step, twist. Let's do 4 more like this. Really focusing on getting that lift twist in the hip, making sure the knees are stable, pelvis is engaged. Here we go. If this is feeling good, why don't you take it around in a circle? Step, twist, step, twist. Keep breathing, or else you're gonna get a horrible stitch in your side in just a minute. Looking good, let's take it around the other way. Excellent, I'm gonna switch my arms back to our other variation. Beautiful, I'm gonna walk it forward. Walk it back. Get ready to strike your pose. Excellent work, fabulous dancer. Now that you've got that move down, maybe you'll want to learn another fantastic belly dance move, or better yet, take that move and put it into a combination in one of these videos over here. Keep on dancing, fabulous dancer, and I will see you on the dance floor very soon.